What if your home fiber internet could fit in your jacket pocket? Not a hotspot. Not one of those plastic bricks that overheat and cry when you connect 5 devices. I'm talking about this, the GL.iNet Mudi 7. And yes, it's Wi-Fi 7. And yes, it has 5G. And yes, I actually tried replacing my home internet with it, and I did not expect this. First off, look at it. It's tiny. Like, throw it in your backpack and forget about it. Tiny. But inside, 5G speeds up to 4.67 gigabits per second. Tri-band Wi-Fi 7. 2.5G Ethernet. Dual SIM, built-in eSIM, and a touchscreen. So you don't need to dig through some confusing admin page from 2009. You literally tap the screen, toggle VPN, switch carriers, share Wi-Fi with a QR code. Done. So here's what I did. I unplugged my fiber modem, connected my laptop through the 2.5G port, hooked up everything else over Wi-Fi 7, turned on WireGuard, and just used it. Zoom calls, 4K streaming, file uploads, cloud backups running in the background, no buffering, no weird dropouts, no drama. And when I forced a carrier switch, it failed over smoothly. Dual SIM backup is one of those features you don't think you need until you really need it. Now imagine this. You land at an airport. Hotel Wi-Fi looks sketchy. You pull this out. Instant private network. Battery lasts up to 13.5 hours. No wall outlet needed. You're basically carrying your own internet bubble everywhere. And because it runs OpenWrt and pushes 700 megabits per second on OpenVPN-DCO, this isn't some watered-down travel gadget. This is serious hardware. Wi-Fi 7 is the part that surprised me most. Everything just feels instant. Downloads snap in. Latency stays low, even with multiple devices hammering it. It doesn't feel like mobile internet. It feels permanent. So, does it replace fiber? If you live somewhere with strong 5G, honestly, it might. But even if you don't ditch your ISP, this becomes your backup, your travel router, your secure network in cafes, your event setup, your "why is the internet down again?" solution. It's one of those devices that quietly solves problems before they happen. Tiny box, massive capability. And now I'm questioning why my home internet has to stay at home. What do you think? Could you replace fiber with this?